In this video, you will see the unboxing of the Mi Band 9, followed by how to connect it and a look at its different bands. Let's start with the unboxing. The Mi Band 9 is not available in India because it's banned, but some websites are selling it for a little extra price. I will explain how I got it later in this video, so don't skip it. The box looks similar to other Mi Bands. Inside the box, you will find the band, a thick booklet and a charging cable. Finally, here is what the band looks like. This model has a larger screen compared to the previous model. Since there are no buttons, I need to charge it first to turn it on. After that, the installation process begins. First, you need to download the Mi Fitness app from Play Store. It is available in iOS store as well. Then log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Because this band isn't released in India, it won't show up in the app. So what you need to do is change the region to a country where it is released. To change this, you must log in with your credentials. You can use your default Indian mobile number and log in. After that, it will connect without any issues. You might wonder if this method will cause any problems, but rest assured, you can use it without any issues. I'm going to make a dedicated video on the app interface and the Mi Band settings and everything. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. This Mi Band is actually updating this software right now. If you thought it wouldn't update, that's the answer to your question. There are many features in the Mi Fitness app that you can change, and I plan to make a dedicated video as I told just now, so don't miss that video if in case you are a serious buyer of this band. You can also connect to Google Health and sync with other applications as well. There is no problem. I'll talk more about that in the future, since this is not the enough time to cover everything right now, because I also need to use this for a couple of weeks. Then only I will know in depth good and bad points. Now let's take a look at the different bands available for this one. Actually, you have to purchase these separately. These bands are available in the Indian market as well. For example, on Amazon, I purchased a elastic band of green, white and black color options, which I personally prefer for long-term wear. There is a quick release button on the back side. Press it to release the band and attach a new one. It's very simple and convenient. So this is how the different bands looks like after wearing it. That's the unboxing and my first impressions, and also a look at the different bands for the Mi Band 9. The main reason I bought this one is because of its great features and good price. This band cost me around 3500 rupees and the extra bands are about 1500 rupees. I bought this from Singapore. As I told earlier, there are so many websites that are selling in Indian market as well, but I'm not sure whether they are selling the original one or duplicate ones. I'll use this Mi Band 9 for some couple of weeks or maybe some months, and then I'll share a full in-depth review with you. So stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to the side of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.